I'm Gilson Feitosa from Obeco, Brazil. I'm glad to here at Vaisala Department of Research and Development. We have more than 40 years cooperation with Vaisala. Meteorology saves lives, so we are very much close to the aviation industry, where we have been establishing automation of the meteorological observation at all the categorized airports. And nowadays we have recently provided 42 AVOS for small airports, where you can have the unattended operators, so the pilot can arrive, push the PTT, and hear the meteorological observation by himself, spoken by the meteorological station. Everyone is trying to do the best for the long-term success. We are not looking for short-term results, we are looking for long-term. Brazil will require continuous investments in observation networks. And because of Vaisala continuous development of technology, I believe we'll have a bright future for our both companies teaming together to go through those new projects and new challenges.